Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and taking a closer look at the brand new Godox Ring72 macro LED ring light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the brand new Ring72 macro ring light. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Let's get into it. So I've got with me the brand new Godox Ring72 macro LED ring light. Now the Ring72, the number here represents the amount of LEDs that are in the actual light itself. So it's an LED ring light specific for macro photography, so it's really good for up close shots. It doesn't mean that you can't use it for other things too, but obviously being a smaller size light, it's suitable for closer up shots or product photography of smaller items perhaps. Now this ring light here is really one of Godox's newer products. They haven't really ventured much into this sort of space. However, this light here is a little bit different in many ways. So firstly, just looking at the box here, you can see that there are a few features. The LEDs themselves are at 8 watt output power. The LED lights are a CRI rating of 96 plus and a TLCI rating of 97. So that's really accurate lighting. So that means the color rendering of your photos and videos will come across nice and accurate. It also has camera lens diameter adapters. So that means it supports from 49mm to 82mm. But a little tidbit here is that it doesn't include the 82mm lens adapter on here. It only goes up to 77mm. So that's something to take note of, and it's something that you can perhaps purchase separately as an accessory. The LED ring light itself has left-right brightness control. So there's 2 adjustment dials that you can adjust both sides independently. And that means you can have one dimmer than the other, for example. It helps create a bit of depth and dimension to your shot. So if you want a little bit more shadow on one side, for example, or for one side to be less lit, then that helps quite a bit. You also have adjustment control from 10% to 100%. So let's take a closer look at what's included with the ring light itself. So opening this up, firstly, we've just got the Ring72 instruction guide. You've also got the Ring72 itself with the controller box here. So it's connected via this coiled cable here. And the great thing about this is that there's 2 ways that you can operate this really. You can have this mounted directly to your camera hot shoe, but you can also have this handheld independently or on the front of your lens using the lens adapters. So that's up to you. You can actually shoot videos as well as photos with this because essentially it's a continuous light. Now you also have the lens adapters here. And there's quite a few of them. As I mentioned, it supports from 49mm up to the 82mm, but it only has up to the 77mm adapter included. So you've got 49, 52, 55, 58, 62, 67, 72, and then 77 also. So you mount this, firstly, screw it onto your lens similar to as you would a lens filter. And then from there, you're able to mount that directly onto the ring light here itself. Now having a look at the controller box here, what you'll notice with the battery compartment is that it looks similar to other Godox lights if you're familiar with their lights. So when we push this out, you'll see it's actually an adapter that houses 4 AA batteries. So it's double-sided. You'll need 4 AA batteries that are not included, and they suggest to use higher quality lit rechargeable batteries, at least, that have a capacity of about 1.5 volts. And you know, higher quality batteries such as Panasonic Eneloops, or even ones from IKEA, they have some high quality ones there. I believe they're called the IKEA Lada batteries, and those are quite popular rechargeable batteries that will support the Ring72. If you're using disposable batteries that are of lower capacity, it won't be enough output to power the Ring72, so just keep that in mind. Now the great thing about the Ring72 and this battery adapter here is that it actually looks quite similar to one of Godox's rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, which is the VB26. So you can see there the size and shape is pretty much identical. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using this to power the ring light here. Now the VB26 is sold separately. It's one that's paired with the Godox V1 flash, as well as the brand new Godox V860 Mark III. Now if you want to take a closer look at the Godox V860 Mark III video, click the link up above. So once you've inserted that, you can actually turn the ring light on. So you can see there, I've actually managed to power the light, and that instantly turned on, and you can adjust the output of the light here at the back. Now you do have a battery capacity indicator there, so right now it says I'm only on 1 bar. It should be okay for what we're needing it for right now. And you can see there's a left and right option too, so you can turn them on or off. And you can also independently control each side, which is great. So this may be suitable for, if you're wanting to add a bit of contrast to your shot or dimension to the shot. It's useful to have this feature here. Let's take a closer look at how to mount this onto a camera. So I've got with me a camera here. This is the Sony a6400. It's also got the Tamron 17 to 70mm f2.8. And this lens here in particular is a 67mm thread. So I've got the 67mm thread adapter. What you need to do is just screw that on similar to as you would a lens filter. And once that's on, you can mount the controller box. So the controller box here is a cold shoe essentially. So if you have a little hot shoe protector, you can remove that, slide that into your hot shoe of your camera. Then you twist to lock that and secure it into place. Now what you'll notice when you're mounting the ring light is that the cable here, you just need to make sure the cable is positioned towards the top, because there's an opening here that lets you slide it onto that thread adapter that you've just installed. There you go, and it kind of clicks into place there. You can just make sure that that cable is not in the way, and you're pretty much good to go. And that's what the configuration looks like here. And you can go ahead and turn that on, and there's the LED light there too. So once again, you can independently control the left and right side, so you can have both sides at the same output. This is at max output at the moment. And you can reduce one side in particular. So if you're wanting it to be slightly different, or turn it off completely, so you can shoot to suit your need basically. Now what this light would be essentially useful for would be firstly macro photography. So if you're taking up close shots of flower, flora, or if you're taking close-ups of insects and animals and things like that. Also if you're doing product photography, so if you have small little products, obviously just dependent on the size of the light, so you'll need a bigger light essentially, perhaps not a macro ring light if you're shooting a larger product, but if it's up close, maybe lifestyle type shots for fashion photography or e-commerce, so if they're wearing necklaces, you can go up close. Or also it's quite popular with use with medical professions, so dentists for example use it for before and after shots, plastic surgeons, cosmetic surgeons, things like that. So it really is a useful light. Not only is it something that you can use to take photos, but you could also essentially take videos with it too, because it's a front-facing light. It's also round in shape, so it's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. If you've seen other larger ring lights that YouTubers use, for example, they use that for filming videos because it does sort of have the natural shape, that round shape, which is similar to our face. So you have a nice light drop off on your subject. So if you're using this even for a talking headshot, for example, mounting this on a tripod, it'll be perfect for that also. So we'll go ahead and take a few test shots with the Ring72. So with the Ring72 on, without it on, as well as adjusting some of the settings. So, adjusting the half setting, for example, and only lighting up on one side, just so you can see some differences. And we'll throw that up on screen now. So that was just a quick look and unboxing of the brand new Godox Ring72 macro LED ring light. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts, if you have any questions about the Ring72, leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.